Hi, just getting ready for the day, and I thought that I would talk you through all the Simba Lifestyle brushes. So, obviously, these are the only brushes that I use every single day since 2021, since they've launched. But I show you guys using them, but I never talk you through it. So, let's do that today. Starting with the base, I think this brush is my favorite out of all the 13 because हमने बहुत मेहनत की है and in fact आप लोगों ने हमें कितने बार recommendations दिए of how to make it better, and after multiple rounds we've been able to get this beautiful kabuki style brush. Right now I'm using a very water like product on my face, but if you have like a full coverage foundation, this still works so well, blends everything in seamlessly और बहुत soft है ये एक ब्रश ही इतना ज्यादा versatile है कि आप इसको फाउंडेशन के लिए तो यूज कर ही सकते हो, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट फॉर योर ब्लश. देर हैव बिन टाइम्स जब मैंने ब्रॉन्जर भी इससे ही किया है, मैंने मेरा नोज कॉन्टोर भी ये ब्रश से किया है बिकॉज एक परफेक्ट लाइन बनाता है ये. देन वी हैव दिस ब्रश राइट हियर विच आई रियली एंजॉय फॉर कंसीलर, बट यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट फॉर आई शैडो. इट्स अ रियली नाइस डेंस ब्रश, सो ज्यादा प्रोडक्ट पिकअप नहीं करता है वो, बट अच्छे से ब्लेंड कर देता है सब कुछ. एंड ऑल्सो इट्स जस्ट स्मॉल इनफ सो इट फिट्स राइट अंडर द आई. बिग फ्लफी ब्रश फॉर पाउडर. दिस इज ग्रेट फॉर ऑल ओवर द फेस, जस्ट disperses the powder evenly. This brush is so loved by everyone and I can see why. It's a blush brush. I'm using it for powder blush just to touch up. एकदम perfectly बैठता है वो आपके cheeks पे. Then we also have this brush right here which is really good for bronzer. Today I don't feel the need to do bronzer, but I'm just showing you how I would. थोड़ा सा demonstrate कर रही हूँ. एकदम perfectly bronzer place होता है यहाँ पे. Time for highlighter. Again the shape of the brush is such that बहुत ही easily application हो जाता है. I am going for a natural vibe today. And I think these brushes are just perfect if you're in between being a beginner and also wanting to explore, because there are enough brushes for you to experiment. So there are 7 eye brushes, which I think is more than enough if you want to do an everyday look, obviously. But even if you want to experiment, बहुत सारे options है. Eyebrow brush, just for you to fill them out. And then दूसरे side पे spoolie भी आता है for you to just fluff them out. Eye brushes में ये वाला मेरा favorite है because ये मैंने specially बनाया था for inner corner highlight. It sits so perfectly. एकदम precise application होता है. You can also apply it for your tip. एकदम perfect और cute लगता है. There are so many brushes to choose from, but this is like my everyday brush. Just a quick application and you're done. That was the 13 brush set for you. It's for 1399 rupees. So a little over 100 rupees per brush. इससे ज़्यादा affordable हम नहीं कर सकते थे for the quality that we provide. And अगर आपको नहीं पता है, then we are discontinuing these brushes. You can never buy these brushes after this point. So place your order now. I think we all are gonna miss these brushes.